Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to change skin in Minecraft Java Edition. So let's get started. First, you need to close Minecraft if it is open. After that, download a skin if you do not already have one. To do this, open a web browser and search for Minecraft skins. One good website to use is called minecraftskins.com, also known as the Skindex. Here you can browse many skins or even edit existing ones. When you find a skin you like, click on it, and then download it to your computer. Once the skin is downloaded, close your browser and open the Minecraft launcher. When it loads, select Minecraft Java Edition on the left side. At the top, click on Skins. Then click on New Skin and give it a name, like Gamer. Choose the model type, either wide or slim, depending on your skin. Next, click Browse to find the skin file you downloaded, select it, and open it. You can choose to add a cape or have no cape, then click Save and Use. Finally, launch the game and press F5 to see your new skin in action. It is that simple, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.